Hello, beautiful soul. I don't know about you, but I am enjoying connecting with you nearly every day, energy to energy, and face to face, or at least your face to mine. In this day and age where there's so many different kinds of energies and so much energy all around us, I really love being able to share this time with you, whether you're watching us live or at a later date. And I say us because without angels and spirit, my own guides, I would not have the courage to do this. And so today I wanted to take a little bit of time to kind of go into what is a masterclass and how is it different from a webinar or a workshop. Well, think of a webinar or a workshop and all that you learn. A masterclass takes all of that and adds to it, like taking a deeper dive, giving more detailed information, more how-to steps, perhaps even a reference guide or a handout to go along with that. It is taking the basics of something like what are crystals, or even how to program crystals. How about chakra energy balancing, or dream interpretation, automatic writing, those kinds of things. And so you get to learn about the basics. Perhaps you already know some basics, so that part may just be a refresher, which is awesome. And then you get in class, virtual class, online teachings, skills, and practice while we're together so that I can help you tweak and fine-tune what you're doing. It is about helping you get to that next level. It is about helping you raise your vibe and to really get familiar with something. And this month, actually on Thursday in a couple of days, we're going to be teaching an amazing masterclass on how, not just what kinds of crystals or what they can do for you or what kinds of things you can program, but actually program either a clear quartz crystal or a Lemurian seed crystal. If you don't have either one of those, you can stop by our Etsy shop, Angel Lady Terry Marie, and receive a 10% savings and get in the class. You can also get in this particular masterclass as part of a series of our Body, Mind, Spirit Masterclass for 2019, a total of 8 classes, 8 masterclasses. We've already done the chakra healing, and you would get immediate, instant access to that. And then, of course, our live programming crystals. I think the other day I mentioned a handout with this particular masterclass. I'm giggling because as I started to put the information together yesterday, well, let me put it to you this way. It's not a 2-page handout. It is now 7 pages, and we're not done. What we'll be sharing with you in this particular masterclass of this whole entire 8 series is exactly how to program a crystal, what you can program into it, how to set your intentions so they support you rather than bite you in the buttocus. And then we're going to do that in class. And the 9 or 10 people who are already in the class, yesterday I gave them part of the reference guide so they can start preparing their crystals. So when you say yes and sign up and just tap the link up above to get in on this, then I will also give you how to prepare your crystal for Thursday. Because if you get that information during the class, it kind of doesn't do you any good because we're already ready. And the reference guide is going to lead you or guide you step by step so that you can do this again with other Lemurian seed crystals or other clear quartz crystals that you may have around or get at some point in time. If you have any questions, you're welcome to private message me or put them in the comments. And please do share this. This is an amazing series, and we are in a 3-year. 2019 is a 3, which is body, mind, and spirit, thought, emotion, and energy. Everything in alignment, one with the other, your goals, your desires, what you want to achieve, what you want to change in yourself. We are actually gifting you or teaching you transferable skills that you can use for the rest of your life. Thank you for being here, and I would love to include you in this amazing Programming Crystals Masterclass on Thursday, February 28th. Bye-bye for now, beautiful soul, and thank you so much for popping by and saying hello and for sharing this.